I'm going to give you 3 tips to help improve your timing when you're singing. Before I do that, if you won't mind hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a video. And don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps us to create this free content and help you guys out. Let's get stuck in with tip number 1, and this is the big boring one, so forgive me. Use a metronome. Buy, use, have just a click track, a metronome, and sing along to that. Get rid of any backing tracks, get rid of any instruments. Can you sing a song to the metronome, keeping that time going? If you can, your timing is going to be great. If you can't, slow the metronome down until you can feel that pulse. Fast songs are harder to sing in time, they run away with you. Slow songs are hard to sing in time, you run away from them. Pick something mid-paced, pick something sort of Snow Patrol, Chasing Cars. If I lay here, if I just lay here. It's a great song because the music in that song is very 4 to the floor, 4/4, dun 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 dun. So it's a really nice song to feel that pulse. The music basically gives it to you. Once you're comfortable with something like that, do something a little slower that's got a lot more free time to it. Something like Never Enough from The Greatest Showman. Something like that where the music's a lot more sparse and you're leading the tempo. And then once you've got that, something faster where you're having to keep up and focus on all those singing techniques that you're doing, but you're also internalizing that rhythm and keeping up with the track. So number 1, use a metronome, get comfortable with a metronome. Okay, tip number 2 is a lot more fun. Learn to dance. You don't have to be a good dancer, but learn to dance. A dancer has to have an internal sense of rhythm. That's why they have the 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not gonna dance for you. No, that's not gonna happen. But you should learn just a little 2-step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you I'm not gonna dance because this is it. This is all I've got. But it's enough, just a simple movement so you can internalize that rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, go get some dance lessons. Make it as fun as you can, but find something that helps you physicalize that rhythm, move to the rhythm. If your body can do it, your voice can do it. So that's tip number 2. Learn to dance a little bit. It's fun for everyone. And tip number 3, this one is more of a test to see how you're doing with your internal metronome and how you are with your timing. I do this all the time. It's a lot of fun. Start singing your favorite track. Get the music on and sing away, belt it out, but make sure there's a mute button somewhere nearby. Okay, as you reach that big crescendo, as you reach the chorus, you're gonna hit mute and you're gonna keep singing. You're gonna sing through the chorus whilst the track's muted, and then as you get to the end of the chorus, you're gonna hit unmute on the track, and hopefully you will land in time with the track. If not, decide, did you land ahead or behind the track? So you know that you need to focus on picking up if you're falling behind, or you need to focus on pulling it back if you're running away from the track. So that's a really fun test. You can do it with anything. Just turn the radio off and then turn it back on and see if you can stay in time even though the music has stopped. So to summarize, use a metronome, learn to dance, internalize that rhythm, and thirdly, test yourself regularly. Make it fun, but test yourself to see how you're doing, and so you can assess which way you need to adjust, where you need to improve. Let me know in the comments below if you struggle with your timing, or if you have any great tips for helping with your singing and your timing. Let's help each other out in the comments, guys. I'll be there. Let me know. I'll help you out. You can help each other out. You can help me out. We'll all improve together. It's going to be good.